Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Excel, for a cell to be considered a numeric entry, it can only contain digits and decimals. That is, there can be no text within a numeric entry. Ideally, you should enter numbers in a plain and raw format, that is, without any formatting, like dollar signs, for example. A helpful tip is just enter the digits and the decimals. All number signs, commas, and other type of numeric formatting can be added later on when you apply number formatting to the selected cells. This relates back to the concept of cell contents versus cell display that arose in the previous lesson. In this case, you don't want commas and other punctuation possibly being misplaced when the data entry occurs. For example, a comma that is placed into the incorrect position within a cell will cause the cell to be interpreted as a text entry. Obviously, that can be very problematic, often interfering with numeric calculations. Note that you can type a minus sign in front of a number to designate a negative value during data entry if desired. However, you should save any advanced formatting of negative values for later when you apply formatting to the cells in your worksheet. Numeric cell entries also have some additional issues with the concept of cell content versus cell display. In the same way that Excel will truncate long text entries, Excel will often turn the display of long numeric entries into pound signs, or if it's extremely long, they may instead become expressed in scientific notation. This stems from the same problem that we had with the long text entries. The numeric entry is simply too long to be displayed correctly in the column. Now, if the number appears as pound signs, then you can simply widen your column to fix the display. If the display turns into scientific notation, however, you cannot usually fix its display by simply widening the column. In this case, you can select the cell and force a new number formatting. For example, you could click the comma style button that appears in the number group on the home tab of the ribbon to add thousands separators to the value, forcing the display of the cell out of its default scientific notation display. At that time, however, it may simply appear as the pound sign display, and if that is the case, you can fix that display issue by simply resizing the column within which you type the long number entry.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.